Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick little update. I got the tailgate removed, no big deal. I just wanted to let you know the reasoning why I'm building this and what my plan is for the build process. Go bolts. Anyway, I want to do more traveling. I want to be able to see my kids more. Maybe even take Justin for a West Coast drive to see his brother out in Albuquerque, and I wanted to be able to sleep and have somewhere to eat and be comfortable out of the weather. And so I came up with this. I'm gonna build a tiny house. Some people call them teardrop trailers, some people call them Squaredrop trailers. I'm gonna call it home away from home. I plan on doing this in about, hopefully can get it done in 2 months. It's gonna be a poor man's build. I'm not an engineer. I'm not really even a builder. I've done some carpentry, and they say if you can, make a box, you can make a trailer. So we'll see. I'm sure I'm going to have some hiccups on the way, so I'm going to bring you along with me on this build so we can go through it all together. And maybe I'll learn something, and hopefully you'll learn something. But I'm going to do this on the low budget, the poor man's low budget build. I'm going to have some features in it. I hope I have a water system, maybe a nice kitchen area, and a nice interior bedding so that I sleep comfortably, So I don't know exactly yet what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna play it by ear, and as I build it, I'm gonna, see what pitfalls and achievements I can achieve with it. But I'm gonna try to do it less the trailer. I got the trailer really cheap. I'm gonna try to build it within 1500 total cost, and that probably would be for the basic part. Any extras, bells and whistles that I might add might drive the cost up a little more. So I'm excited, so let's get back to the build. Okay guys, now we're about ready to do some grinding. So here we go. Hey guys, it's day 2. I ran into some snags yesterday. I had to quit. 1, my back was killing me, and 2, I wasn't making any progress cutting this heavy-duty metal on this trailer with what I had. And what I had was, I was using these Diablo cutting blades. I guess they're designed for metal, and they just really weren't doing the trick. I mean, it was a battle. So today, well, I went to the hardware store last night, and I came across these Milwaukee Sawzall carbon teeth, 50% longer lasting, and they said it's for heavy, thick metal. So thick metal. So we'll see how this goes today. Hopefully I can get all this cut out and be done with it. So let's get to it. Okay guys, you just saw that. I got these pieces cut off. I finished cutting my 2 down on each side. And now I got to get another cutting wheel for the grinder to cut the upright pieces. And then I have to cut that front off. And then that'll be done with the metal work. I can start on the woodwork. I'm going to take it all out and replace it. And I'll keep you informed of that as well. That's going to be another challenge. So anyway, the trailer's coming right along, and we'll see you on the next one.